The screen is black. A golden mirror glints softly against the void. Then, a flare of distant galaxies, faint but alive. In the silence of space, a golden eye opened. It faced backward in time, 13 billion years into our cosmic past, and for the first time in human history, we saw the universe as it was in its first breath. This is what the James Webb Space Telescope has given us. A mirror not just into the heavens, but into our own origin. Launched on Christmas Day 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is the most powerful observatory ever built. With its 6.5-meter golden mirror and instruments chilled to near absolute zero, JWST doesn't see light like we do. It sees infrared, the glow of heat left behind by the first stars and galaxies. Floating 1,000,000 miles from Earth, it peers into a time when space itself was still young, when the first galaxies flickered like sparks in a cosmic night barely 300 million years after the Big Bang. And what it found changed everything. In its very first deep field, JWST revealed galaxies so ancient that they formed just a few 100 million years after time began. Much earlier and much brighter than any theory had predicted. Tiny, compact, yet glowing with intense energy, these galaxies forced astronomers to ask, how could so much structure form so fast? Among them, they found stars forged from pure hydrogen and helium, the universe's very first elements, burning in the darkness like newborn suns. And the light that reached JWST's mirror? It had traveled more than 13 billion years to get there. Each photon, a messenger from the dawn of everything we know. These discoveries are rewriting the story of cosmic evolution. Until JWST, we thought galaxies built themselves slowly, tiny clouds of gas merging over eons. But now we see that the early universe was fierce and fast, forming massive structures in the blink of a cosmic eye. It challenges our models of dark matter, of star formation, and even how the first black holes came to be. Perhaps hidden in this ancient light lies the blueprint of how everything, galaxies, atoms, life, emerged from pure chaos. But this is just the beginning. JWST is now studying the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for water, methane, and carbon dioxide in worlds light years away. It's mapping the chemistry of star nurseries, watching planets form from disks of dust and gas. And soon, it will turn its golden gaze toward the faint radiation left from the first black holes. We are on the edge of a new cosmic chapter, one where the universe itself becomes a living laboratory. Through JWST's eyes, we're not just looking into space, we're looking into memory, into a time before us when the cosmos was still whispering itself into being. With every new image, we glimpse a little more of who we are and where it all began. So, as we stare into the first dawn of the universe, remember, we are not the observers of creation. We are its continuation,